Hi everybody, Lori here from Unique in the Creek, and today I'd like to introduce you to our new Unique in the Creek insect body. This body is perfectly paired with the Unique in the Creek wing board, as the 4 tabs match up perfectly with the holes on the wing board, and I'm going to show you just how to attach them in a few moments. A little bit about the insect body. It's very durable. It doesn't bend. It is made with 100% recycled plastic. One side is textured, so you don't have to do anything to it if you want to put it right outside, or you can decorate it up as much as you want. Add some bling, add some glitter, add some fabric. You know, sky's the limit. On the back side, it's smooth. And you'll see our signature Unique in the Creek logos for authenticity. So, like I said, it is 100% recycled plastic, so you can put this outside. So if you make a butterfly or a bee with deco mesh and our wing board and plastic zip ties, that makes it all weatherproof, right? Isn't that fabulous? Okay, so I'm going to show you how to attach the insect body to the wing board. Okay, you can use Chanel stems, pipe cleaners, or to keep it all plastic, you can use the 18-pound zip ties. So first I will show you with the zip ties. So here is a beautiful ombre butterfly I had previously made. And I'm going to flip it over, and I've marked the holes for you so that you can see exactly where the butterfly body will match up with the tabs. Okay? Now, it's a little bit different putting it flat on the board. As you can see, they don't exactly match up, but we had to put into account mesh or anything on the front of the body. So when you put it on top of the mesh, it does line up perfectly. So what you're going to do is I'm going to flip this back over, and if you're using a pipe cleaner, it's much easier because then you can just put the pipe cleaner down the sides. Now these tabs will fold in underneath the body once we've pulled it through the holes on the wing board. So for the pipe cleaners, just put the pipe cleaners right through the tabs. Okay, and we're going to flip it over, and we're going to look for these 4 holes, which are right at the top. So right here is where I have my hanging zip tie. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 2 ends of the pipe cleaner and find the holes and just go down, lift the board up, down through those 2 holes. There we go. Now don't tighten it yet. Just give it a twist, just so it doesn't come off. And you're going to do the same for all the 3 other ones. So you can find the hole, go straight down, and this lines your insect body up completely straight. You kind of have to dig, just move the mesh away to see the hole. So there we go. Again, just give it a twist. And we'll do the bottom one. Flip it around so we can see it. Right one. And that other one. Again, we're going to twist it just lightly in the back so it's not tight. And then the last one. And then once we got all 4 in the correct spots, we'll flip it over, and then we'll tighten it right onto the mesh. right, so there's our 4 pipe cleaners on the back of the wing board. So now what we're going to do is we're going to pull the pipe cleaners snug to the board. So, and then twist it. Do the same for this one. Twist it. Pull this one. Twist it. And then this one, give it a twist. Now we're going to flip it over and make sure that these tabs are to the side of the body so you don't see the tabs. And it's nicely connected. Perfect. Now I'm going to flip this over, and you don't want all this mess here. You're going to snip off some of the pipe cleaner, just like that. And again, you can make sure it's a little tighter. And then you're going to go back down the hole with the end of those pipe cleaners. And you can add a little hot glue into the hole to keep those pipe cleaners down there. Okay? Tight. Give it a twist. Trim some of this off. We want to keep the board nice and neat. And back down the hole. So there's still nothing on the back of the wreath that will scratch a customer's or your own door. There we go. That is the Unique and Creek butterfly body, insect body on the wing board using the pipe cleaners. And of course you'll do these ones as well.